So today we're gonna go over our toe taps and we're gonna start down here on the ground. So let's come on down. This is what it looks like. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on. So benefits of our exercise. We're building hip mobility. We're also building strength through our core. So we're gonna start with the back nice and flat, 90 degrees in the legs, palms up towards the ceiling, and then we're just gonna simply use the hips to bring the toe to the floor and then back to the 90-degree position. Now, if this seems a little easy for you today, our progression strategy is instead of touching down, we're gonna extend the leg fully out, tap with the heel, and then come back to that 90-degree position. Once again, using the hips to lengthen through the leg rather than using the legs to touch down. Because that's gonna be our common fault, is that most people use the legs rather than the hips, and then we're not getting the full benefits out of the work we're putting in. That's gonna be your toe taps. Have fun.